Midnight. What you doing? Butt cat. Hey. How you doing? Psst, psst. You happy? You should be happy. I gave you tuna. Pretty cat. I was at Barbara's house. I came back to do some homework and shower and stuff. I'm gonna go back later, and I'm just here with my cats doing some homework. And Wally farted on me. He did it. I was holding him. I heard a little stinky boy. He has no shame. He doesn't care. I'm holding your nose. You're such a good boy. He even missed me. I slept over, and when I came back home, I started petting her, and she just started purring. Wally, hey, hey, I love you. We love you. Good, you should be purring. Can I have some belly? Some cat belly? Wally.